Periodic functions, are we ready?
Yes.
Periodic functions are functions where the x values repeat functions where the values repeat at a specific cycle. Values repeat at a, what's up?
Do you know what
I've heard 37.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. At a regular interval, or at a, if you want to think about it as a regular cycle, is sometimes a good way to think about it. And we discussed this a few days back. Periodic functions are just those that repeat, right, at some cycle. Right. We talked about how every periodic function has three important properties: the midline, the amplitude, and the period. All right, we talked about the three important properties. Right, we said midline is the horizontal line that cuts the graph in half. Horizontal line, and by horizontal line we mean y equals something. So I'm going to put in parentheses y equals something. Horizontal line y equals something that cuts the graph in half. That cuts the graph in half. Right. And we talked about the formula was maximum value plus the minimum value divided by 2. It was max plus min divided by 2 equals midline. You gotta stop me as I go along if there are questions. Amplitude was the distance from the midline to the max or the midline to the min. So amplitude is the distance from midline to max or midline to min. Midline to max or midline to min.